Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the 2x2x2 Rubik's Cube. If you haven't checked out my 3x3 tutorial, then make sure to check that out before learning how to solve the 2x2, as the 2x2 is basically based on a 3x3 but just with the edges and the center removed. So let's get right into it. So here I have my 2x2 cube scrambled. As the 3x3, we want to solve the one side first. So the first step is going to be the white side. What we want to do is basically look at the pieces. For example, find a white piece. I've got one here. And this is the white, blue, and red piece. So I want to next find either the white piece that contains red or blue and pair it up with this piece. For example, I found this piece. Then I can just do some moves like that and then pair it up like this. This should be still pretty intuitive if you know how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Next, for example, let me scramble this up a little. Okay. For example, this piece. Now we want to find, for example, this piece. This piece contains green, so it needs to go here. If you know the 3x3 algorithm, it goes like this. I won't talk about it in this video, but you should know how to insert that piece in. And then for the last piece, basically visualize it just as a 3x3. This is a corner. This is at the left top. So do the left bottom algorithm 2 times. And you will have the first layer, or half of the cube, solved. So the second part of this video is going to be about the yellow. So the top face, or the yellow face in our example here, is basically the OLL for the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So the OLL for the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, visualize that you already have a cross in the middle. So this case would be the case where all four these two corners are pointing that way and these two corners are pointing this way. So the algorithm for that case is this. If you don't know how to do any of these algorithms, make sure I'll link the 3x3 video up here. Maybe it's already at the start, but anyways, the 3x3 video is going to be way more helpful on understanding the 2x2. Because the 2x2 right now, I'm just telling you how to sort of understand and visualize the 2x2 than the 3x3. So for the last step, here it's a bit unique. So right now, this last step, we only need these two corners switched, which you can do a lot of algorithms. I'll list them all right here. You have your A perm, you have your T perm, you have your J perms, you have your G perms, R perms, and all of these work because they're switching these two corners. Some of them are switching the edges, which we don't care right now because we don't have edges. So for example, I'm gonna do a T perm. Did I just do the wrong algorithm? Okay, so now I'm gonna do a T perm. And that will solve the cube. For example, if you have the this case, Y perm, then you can just either do it like this and then do the either the Y perm or the V perm, I think, V perm algorithms. So for example, here. So visualize that you don't care about the edges. You only care about the corners because there are only corners on the Rubik's Cube. One last tip is it's really nice to know your color schemes. On a regular Rubik's Cube, the white side always opposite to the yellow side, green always opposite to the blue, and orange always opposite to the red. So when you're solving the first face, you have a really nice sort of visualization of how all the pieces relate. For example, here, it's really easy for me to just find the corners and then put it in because I know the 3x3 color scheme. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!